large floor plan, guarded gated pool community, multiple balconies, 5 bedrooms, full baths and quick close availability. Welcome to Westyn Bay.Mature landscaping, brick driveway and sizable French front doors with glass insets present an excellent first impression. High ceiling and ground molding highlight separate but open formal rooms, each with access to the expansive family room, upgraded kitchen, and guest suite. The double-sided staircase is easy to clean as this home offers a central vacuum. The living room provides a gently used wood fireplace and adjacent understairs storage area. The kitchen is very nice with granite counters, an abundance of oak cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a great view of the family room. Upstairs the air is crisp as this home offers dual-zone HVAC. The bonus game room area provides French door access to one of 2 exterior balconies and enough room for large furniture. The master suite is huge. In addition to multiple closets, the additional master suite sitting area would be perfect for a nursery or home office. Large windows allow natural light to showcase the corner master bath with separate vanities, garden tub and separate shower. There are 3 additional bedrooms and 2 other full baths on the second floor, ample laundry room with built-in storage and additional storage areas. The deep 3-car garage is perfect if you need interior storage for jet skis or a large vehicle. Nearby access to the